how does how does my background align with the solution engineer role? Um, I come from a as a junior full stack web developer background where I work closely with real real users and internal stakeholders, not just writing code, but also troubleshooting issues, improving workflows, and supporting production systems. This align this aligns well with a solution engineer role because I'm used to understanding both the technical side and the business or user requirements. I don't just look at whether something works technically. I focus on whether it solves the actual problem. One of my distinctive strength is my ability to explain concepts clearly to non-technical users. I've supported staff and end users, diagnosed system issues, and proposed practical solutions. I'm also comfortable learning new technologies quickly, which is important in solution-oriented and customer-facing roles. Um, have I worked with SQL before? Yes, I have worked with SQL extensively in my previous roles. I've used it to query, analyze, and validate data in relational databases, especially for application features, reporting, and troubleshooting issues. For example, I've written select queries with joins, filters, and aggregations to investigate data inconsistency, verify user records, and support debugging in production environment. While I haven't directly built AI models, I understand how clean and accurate data is critical in AI-driven software. My experience with validating data sets, checking anomalies, and ensuring data integrity directly supports AI and analytic for workflows. Um, a time a time I identified a critical error during system setups. For example, in one project, I noticed unexpected data behaving during system setup when output results didn't match expected values. Instead of assuming it was just a front end issue, I reviewed the database records and processing logic. I used SQL queries and logs to trace the data flow and found that a configuration error caused duplicate or incorrect records to be processed. I corrected the configuration and validated the data and retested the system to ensure consistency. Uh, I also documented the issue and added checks to prevent it from happening again. This helped avoid bigger issues later in productions. Yes, thank you.